Hey, do you want to learn how to install Lovable AI or its generated web apps that you have built in your mobile phone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, you need to get over to the Chrome browser on your mobile and then search for lovable.dev in the URL. Then you'll be taken over to this page, and on it, on the top right, click on these three dots. Now here, scroll down, you're going to find Add to Home Screen. Click on it. Now it's going to say Install App. So just press on Install here, and it's going to install Lovable AI as an app on your mobile. So let's go back, and there you go. Lovable AI has been installed. Here is the app that has been installed. I can click on it, open up, and that's it. Now it's going to act as a native app inside my mobile. Till Lovable release their native apps, this process is much better to do. You can do the same for your generated apps as well. Just go inside it and install as an app to your mobile. And that's it. That's how to download Lovable AI or the generated apps on your mobile with the PWA method. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Lovable AI related tutorials. See you there, and bye for now.